Today we're going to be making a bird in a nest using some simple shapes. Depending on the age of your artist, you could have your shapes pre-cut or you could have your little artist cut them themselves. First, choose about 5 color crayons that you want to use for the nest. Then you're going to draw in a circular motion over and over and over again until your nest looks the way that you want it to. It is a little bit like scribbling, except for you're using self-control to make sure that it looks like a nest when you're all done. You can use any colors that you want to, and definitely try to fill in and make it look kind of messy, because when birds are making their nests, it's not super neat and tidy. It does kind of look like a jumble of mess. Once you have your nest drawn, then you're going to take a semicircle or a half circle and a little triangle, and you're going to glue them together using a glue stick. This is going to be the body of the bird and the beak. Once you have them glued together, then glue the bird into the center of your nest. Next, you're going to need a small triangle for the tail feather and a half circle for the wing of your bird. Take your glue stick and carefully glue the tail feather to the back of your bird. Then take your semicircle and glue that to the middle of your bird for a wing. You can choose any colored paper that you want to for your bird. Next, take a black crayon and draw the eye of your bird. Next, you're going to take your leaves, and you can add some extra details to your leaves too. I'm just drawing some straight and diagonal lines on my leaves. Next, you're going to take your glue stick and glue maybe 3, 4, or 5 leaves onto your nest. You get to choose how many you want to do. Now it's time to glue some eggs into your nest. Simply take some white ovals, put a little glue on the back, and stick them anywhere you want to on your nest. You can even tuck some under the leaves or under your bird too. They don't have to be completely showing in your nest. For the final step of your art project, you could add some extra details to your bird, your background. You can add anything that you want to your artwork to make it unique for you.